Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of the ASUS 2024 newest ROG Strix GA15 gaming desktop. This gaming desktop promises to deliver exceptional performance and cutting-edge features that every gamer will appreciate. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience, you may check the link below for more info and the best price available today. Let's dive into what makes the ASUS ROG Strix GA15 a top choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 gaming desktop features a sleek and aggressive design that reflects its high-performance capabilities. The chassis is compact yet robust, with sharp angles and RGB lighting that can be customized to match your gaming setup. The transparent side panel not only adds to the aesthetics but also allows you to showcase the powerful components inside. The build quality is top-notch, reflecting ASUS's commitment to durability and style. Now, let's move on to the performance. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is powered by the latest 13th General Intel Core i7 processor, which provides incredible processing power for all your gaming and multitasking needs. This processor ensures smooth and responsive performance, whether you're playing the latest AAA titles, streaming, or running multiple applications simultaneously. The desktop also features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, which delivers stunning visuals and real-time ray tracing for an immersive gaming experience. The ROG Strix GA15 also comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring fast and efficient multitasking. This ample memory allows you to run multiple applications at once without any lag, making it perfect for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 1TB SSD provides lightning-fast storage, ensuring quick boot times and rapid game load times. This combination of powerful hardware ensures that you can enjoy a seamless and responsive gaming experience. One of the standout features of the ASUS ROG Strix GA15 is its cooling system. The desktop is equipped with an advanced cooling solution that includes multiple fans and liquid cooling options. This ensures that the system remains cool and stable even during intense gaming sessions. The intelligent cooling system dynamically adjusts fan speeds based on the system's temperature, providing optimal cooling while minimizing noise. This keeps the system running at peak performance and extends the lifespan of the components. The ASUS ROG Strix GA15 also excels in connectivity options. The desktop includes multiple USB ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, providing versatile connectivity for all your peripherals and displays. The high-speed Ethernet port ensures a stable and fast internet connection, while the built-in Wi-Fi 6 support provides wireless connectivity for a clutter-free setup. The extensive connectivity options make it easy to integrate the ROG Strix GA15 into your existing gaming setup. In terms of audio, the ROG Strix GA15 is equipped with high-quality audio components that deliver immersive sound. The desktop features ASUS's Sonic Studio 3, which provides crystal-clear audio and customizable sound settings. Whether you're playing games, watching movies, or listening to music, the ROG Strix GA15 delivers an exceptional audio experience that enhances your overall gaming experience. The ROG Strix GA15 is also designed with user convenience in mind. The desktop includes easy access ports and toolless design, allowing for quick and hassle-free upgrades. The customizable RGB lighting can be controlled using ASUS's AuraSync software, allowing you to synchronize the lighting with your other AuraSync-compatible devices. This adds a personal touch to your gaming setup and enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. Another great feature of the ROG Strix GA15 is its robust security options. The desktop includes multiple security features, such as password protection and secure boot, ensuring that your system and data remain safe and secure. The desktop also comes with ASUS's Armoury Crate software, which provides a centralized interface for monitoring system performance, adjusting settings, and managing updates. In conclusion, the ASUS 2024 newest ROG Strix GA15 gaming desktop is an outstanding choice for gamers looking to enhance their gaming experience. Its sleek design, powerful hardware, advanced cooling system, and versatile connectivity make it a top-tier gaming desktop that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive esports player, the ROG Strix GA15 has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.